मैम वो एक लड़का का वो भाई थे ना मैम, अंकल मैम, वो सड़क
हाँ।
पे ऐसे झाड़ू मार रहे थे, तो
हम्म।
एक भाई को है ना मैम, उसको एलर्जी थी, धुआं धुआं की उसकी एलर्जी थी मैम, तो उसको खांसी आने लगी।
Can you talk in English? Try to speak the same answer in English. Try to speak the same answer in English, beta.
Yes, ma'am. One uncle. Ma'am. One uncle. मैम झाड़ू को क्या बोलते हैं मैम?
Sweeping.
One uncle sweeping the road. One uncle got allergy. The allergy
When
the
I ask
sweeping.
you, okay, beta, when I ask you what is non communicable diseases, you should say that the diseases which are not
Ma'am,
spread by communicating with one person or another, when the diseases are not spread by coming in contact with one person and other, is called non communicable disease. Is this clear, everybody? So, those
yes,
diseases
ma'am.
can,
Clear.
yes, those diseases can include allergy. Okay, allergy. What is allergy? That is exposure to substances that can cause sneezing, itching, and rashes. That is called allergy. Okay, and other non-communicable diseases are due to deficiency of certain nutrients. All right. Then there are some hard conditions or there are some diseases which are by birth. So that is also a non-communicable disease. Then disease such as diabetes and arthritis, वो किसी से बात करने से नहीं फैलती है. Diseases such as diabetes and arthritis. Okay, so that is non-communicable disease. Now what is communicable disease? The disease which can be spread from one person to another by coming in contact is called communicable disease. Coronavirus communicable है या non communicable? COVID-19.
Communicable.
Yes, it is communicable
Communicable.
because if we come in contact with a COVID positive person, then it may happen to us as well, correct? So, corona or COVID 19 is a communicable disease. Can you name other such communicable diseases? COVID 19 के जैसे दूसरे कोई communicable disease है?
Then fungi.
Beta, your voice is cutting. Can
Fungus. Fungus. Ma'am,
yes, very
fungi.
good. Who said that?
Fungus. Fungi.
Yes,
Hutangi Muhammad Ghazi. Fungi.
very good. Fungus. फंजाई बेटा, फंगी नहीं बोलते उसको, फंजाई बोलते हैं.
Fungi.
Then what else?
Ma'am, mucormycosis delta plus. Yes, ma'am.
Huh. Yes, very good. Other than that, कोई और
Hutangi
डिजीजेस?
Muhammad Ghazi.
हाँ जी, पर और कोई डिजीजेस है क्या?
No, ma'am.
टेल मी.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
कैन यू नेम इट?
Ma'am, disease मतलब
बीमारी.
बीमारी.
Okay. So diseases that can be spread from one person to another by communicating with each other is called communicable disease. Okay. And communicable disease are generally caused by Germs. Who causes communicable diseases? It is caused by germs, and germs are bacteria, virus, fungi, protozoa, and these germs can spread in the following ways. How are these germs spread? They can spread in following ways. Now, can you name the germs that can cause communicable diseases? Name the germs that spread communicable disease. Come on. They are bacteria, virus, fungi, and protozoa. Okay. Now, how are they spread? How do they spread? They spread in the following ways. The first one is through direct contact with an infected person. अगर किसी इंसान को इन्फेक्शन हुआ है बैक्टीरिया फंजाई वायरस प्रोटोजोआ का तो if we come in direct contact with them we may get the infection. When an infected person coughs or sneezes, जब infected person खांसता है या छींकता है, the germs causing the disease are released into the air because then the germs will come out of the mouth and they are released into the air and can infect a healthy person. And they can go into the respiratory tract of a healthy person and cause him infection. So germs can also be transferred by sharing the infected person's personal belongings. Other than that, अगर हम इन्फेक्टेड पर्सन का हैंकरचिफ टिश्यू उसकी स्पून यूज कर लेते हैं तो भी हमें इन्फेक्शन हो सकता है such as clothes utensils etc. And diseases such as common cold measles tuberculosis spread through direct contact. Which diseases spread through direct contact? It is measles common cold tuberculosis etc. Okay, is that clear everybody? Are you listening to
Yes,
me?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
Then,
ma'am.
ma'am.
then communicable diseases can spread through dirty water and dirty food. Okay. When we keep the food or water uncovered, when we do not cover the food or water, the food and water will attract flies. Flies will come and sit on the food which are carrying germs on their bodies and they will pass them to the uncovered food when they sit on them. So, having food and water containing these germs can cause diseases such as typhoid and cholera. Okay, what is going to happen when we are eating food and if we keep it uncovered, the flies are going to come and sit near the food. Okay, and the flies are carrying germs. Flies कहाँ कहाँ बैठ के आती है पता है ना? तो फिर वो आके फिर हमारे फूड पे बैठेगी तो हमारे फूड में जर्म्स आ जाएंगे और वो फूड हम कंज्यूम कर लेंगे. So that food can cause typhoid and cholera. Which diseases are spread through dirty water and dirty food? Please name the two diseases which are spread through dirty water and dirty food. Boys, come on.
क्या मैम फिर से बोलो ना मैम एक बार.
Disease that are
Doctor,
spread
repeat.
through dirty water and dirty food. Disease that are spread through dirty water and dirty food. Name it.
मतलब मैम वो कुछ
Typhoid and cholera are the diseases that are spread through dirty water and dirty food.
Malaria and cancer.
जी
cholera and malaria.
टाइफॉइड बेटा
And
cholera and typhoid.
cancer.
Typhoid, yes ma'am. Typhoid.
Cancer.
Okay. Okay, who wants to read through insects? Mohammad Ghazi
I can
Bhojani,
go.
come on read. Mohammad Ghazi Bhojani, you can
Big
read
paragraph.
through insects.
Mosquito and some other insects can transmit germs through their bite. When a mosquito bites a person, person person infected with malaria eat sex in germs along with the blood when the same mosquito bites a healthy person. That person gets infected with malaria.
Okay, what is going to happen? When mosquito and some other insects can transmit germs through their bite. You know that mosquito और कोई कोई और insects है वो जब हमको bite करते हैं तो what do they what wait beta let me explain. So when mosquitoes and some other insects transmit germs through their bite, okay, mosquitoes have germs on their that the antenna that they are putting inside to suck the blood, okay. So when mosquito comes to bite an infected person, it will carry the germs along with it, and then it will go and bite a healthy person, and that person will get infected with malaria, okay. What do mosquitoes do? They suck blood, right? They bite and suck blood. So when they are doing that to an infected person, the germs will come in on their body, and then when the mosquito will go and bite a healthy person, that healthy person will get infected with the germs of the infected person. Is that clear? कि गुजराती में समझाऊं?
गुजरात में समझाऊं मैम?
Okay. तो जब mosquitoes okay let me explain him in Gujarati, but बेटा आदत डाल लेना, ठीक है, इंग्लिश की. जब मस्किटोज है वो किसी इन्फेक्टेड पर्सन को जाके बाइट करते हैं तो उसके जर्म्स वो उसके बॉडी पे कैरी कर लेते हैं, उसके जर्म्स मस्किटो पे आ जाते हैं. फिर मस्किटो किसी और पर्सन को जाके बाइट करेगा जो हेल्दी है, उसको इन्फेक्शन नहीं हुआ है, तो वो सारे जर्म्स उस हेल्दी पर्सन के अंदर चले जाएंगे और उनको इन्फेक्शन हो जाएगा. ठीक है, ओके
ओके मैम.
Okay. It's not that cold inside the clinic, but Rohan just can't stop shivering. He's probably suffering from malaria. See, there's Rohan. Okay, Rohan is shivering inside the clinic, but it is not that cold inside the clinic, but then also he is feeling cold. So probably he is suffering from malaria. Beta, please mute your mics. Can I talk to you? I'm explaining you something, beta. And all those flies didn't stop Mohit from eating the burger. See, Mohit is eating the burger here, but there are so many flies around him. And then also, he's not stopping to eat the burger. He probably doesn't know that insects such as flies will transfer diseases that cause germs when they sit on food stuff. So Mohit is not knowing that when the flies are buzzing around the food, they are carrying germs along with it, and that food we should not eat. Okay? Then there is Sonu. Look how Sonu wiped his nose with his sister's handkerchief. No wonder he got measles. What did he do? His sister had measles, and Sonu, uh, yeah, Sonu took her handkerchief and wiped his nose. So probably he is also going to get measles. I used my brother's towel once when he had measles. I too got the same disease. So by using his handkerchief, Sonu also caught the same disease because she used his her brother's belonging. Okay. Okay, Ruhan, read. Come on, read the table. Common cold, pneumonia, and tuberculosis.
Yes मैम. Common cold, cold, sore throat, running nose, fever. Washing hands regularly and keeping away from the infected person. person. मैम सेकंड पेज रीड करूं?
Yes.
मुझे रीड करने का है ना मैम.
Who wants to read?
Ma'am, Razali
I
Raja.
can read.
Yes, Rajali, Rajani, you can read.
ओके मैम। मैम कौन सा वाला, फर्स्ट सेकेंड और थर्ड?
First, second, or third तीनों.
कॉमन कोल्ड, कॉच, कॉच, सोरी, काउच,
Cough, sore throat,
कफ, सुक्रो,
runny nose,
रनी नोज, फीवर,
and fever.
washing
Yes.
hand, washing hand regular and keep away from the infect person.
Yes. Then read pneumonia.
Pneumonia, cough, fever, chills, chills
And shortness of breath.
and shortness of breath. Uh,
Then read the preventive measures or
treatment with
treatment.
treatment with antibiotics,
Antibiotics. Biotics.
antibiotics, tuber,
Tuberculosis.
tuberculosis, fever, chills, night sweats,
Night sweats.
loss, night sweats, uh,
Loss of
loss
appetite.
of loss of
Appetite.
loss of
Appetite.
appetite, weight loss, weakness, continue cough, chest pain.
And
Treatment with
treatment with antibiotics.
antibiotics.
Okay. So there is common cold. Common cold is a communicable disease.
मैम
And
आपकी
what are the
आवाज नहीं आ रही
symptoms?
है।
Hello. Yes. Can you hear
मैम
me
आ
now?
रही है आवाज।
Okay, so there is
मैम आपकी
communicable
आवाज आ
disease,
रही है।
that is common cold. And how do we know that we are suffering from common cold? तो हमारे symptoms कैसे कैसे होंगे? Cough, sore throat, runny nose, and fever. These are the symptoms of common cold. Okay, we will have cough, we will have sore throat. Sore throat का मतलब गला खराब हो जाना, and runny nose and fever. And how will you prevent or how will you treat this common cold? What are you going to do? We need to wash hands regularly and keep away from infected person. You need to stay away from the infected person. Then there is pneumonia. One is pneumonia, cough, fever, chills, and shortness of breath. Pneumonia is a disease in which there is cough, fever, chills मतलब ठंडी लगना, and shortness of breath. Shortness of breath मतलब you are not able to breathe properly. You cannot breathe in properly. That is shortness of breath. And how can you treat pneumonia? You can treat pneumonia with the help of antibiotics. Okay, what are antibiotics? Biotics is called germs and anti is called against the germs. So antibiotics are probably going to kill the germs that are making the that are causing the infection in the body. Is this clear, everybody? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And then there is tuberculosis. What is tuberculosis and what are the symptoms? Tuberculosis is a disease, and how will you know that you are suffering from tuberculosis? You will have fever, you will feel cold, very cold, even if it is hot. Then also you are going to feel cold. Then night sweats मतलब रात को पसीना आता है. Then loss of appetite. Appetite मतलब भूख, और भूख ना लगना is called loss of appetite. You will not feel like eating anything. You will not feel hungry. That is called loss of appetite, and that is the reason you will lose your weight. Then there will be weakness, continued cough, and chest pain. And here also the treatment is with antibiotics. You need to take a lot of antibiotics to prevent or treat the disease. Okay. Let's move on to preventing communicable disease. How will you prevent? How will you stop communicable diseases to spread from one person to another? So it can be बाई गुड पर्सनल एंड कम्युनिटी हाइजीन, मतलब हाइजीन का मतलब क्या होता है, साफ सफाई रखना, अपनी पर्सनल साफ सफाई रखना इज कॉल्ड hygiene. Okay, hygiene may be defined as practices that help to ensure cleanliness and good health. What is hygiene? It is something that helps to ensure cleanliness and good health. And following are some steps to maintain good hygiene. Okay, what should we do to maintain good hygiene? We should eat clean and healthy food. We should not eat uncovered food from the roadside vendors. That uncovered food, जो food को cover नहीं किया होता है, उसको नहीं खाना चाहिए. We should wash our hands regularly, brush our teeth twice a day, and bathe daily. We should always eat food from clean utensils and with clean hands. Okay, you should wash your hands daily, regularly. You should take a bath daily. Then you need to brush your teeth twice a day. Then you should eat food with clean hands and in clean utensils. Okay, then you should not eat dirty water, and the drinking water should be in a clean and covered vessel. Drinking water जो होता है वो हमें clean रखना पड़ता है और उसको cover करके रखना पड़ता है ताकि उसमें कुछ गिर ना जाए, germs ना आ जाए. We should not allow water to collect in and around our homes. Other than that, हमको पानी है वो जमा नहीं होने देना चाहिए अपने घर के आसपास. Mosquitoes breed in stagnant water. And why should we do that? Why should we not allow water to collect near our homes? Because mosquitoes are going to spread in stagnant water. What is stagnant? Water that is not flowing or moving is called stagnant water. Okay, and the stagnant water will smell very fast. It will start smelling. The stagnant water has foul smell. Foul मतलब गंदी. ठीक है. And also, we should keep our surroundings clean to control flies. What else shall we do? We should keep our surroundings clean. अगर हम बाहर घर के बाहर ही कचरा फेंक देंगे तो वहीं पे मक्खी आएगी, वो सारी मक्खियाँ हमारे घर में आएगी. वो कहाँ कहाँ बैठ के आई होती है हमें नहीं पता होता. फिर वो आके हमारे फूड पे बैठती है तो हमारे फूड में जर्म्स आ जाते हैं, है ना? राइट और नॉट? And
Yes,
also
ma'am.
we should throw our garbages in dustbin. Also, we should not allow garbage to collect in dumps, and we should stay away from infected people as much as possible. So communicable diseases can be prevented by vaccination. Okay, what you all know what is vaccination now? Do you or don't you? पता है
Yes,
या नहीं
ma'am.
पता है? What is
पता है मैम.
vaccination? क्या होता है
वो ये
वैक्सीन?
पता नहीं.
कोविड 19 मैम, कोविड 19 की वैक्सीन हमको देते हैं ना वो.
हाँ, उससे क्या होता है?
मैम हमको अच्छा हो जाता है.
अच्छा नहीं हो जाता बेटा, वो ट्रीटमेंट नहीं है. कोविड 19 का जो वैक्सीनेशन है वो ट्रीटमेंट नहीं है कोविड 19 की. वो क्या है कि हम वैक्सीन ले लेंगे तो हम अगर इन फ्यूचर हमको कोरोना आए तो हमारी बॉडी उसके साथ लड़ने के लिए रेडी होगी, तैयार होगी. वो वैक्सीन है, वैक्सीन उसका काम करता है. मतलब वो दवाई नहीं है जो हम खाते हैं, वो दवाई नहीं है कि हम ठीक हो जाए जल्दी से. वो वैक्सीन इसीलिए है कि हमें आगे जाके कोरोना ना हो. समझे? और वैक्सीन क्या काम करेगी? हाउ विल इट वर्क? इट विल मेक एन आर्मी इन द बॉडी, स्ट्रॉन्ग सेल आर्मी इन द बॉडी, ताकि जब कोरोना वायरस हमारे अंदर आए तो वो उससे लड़ पाए. ठीक है? अंडरस्टूड?
यस मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
So vaccines will help to build resistance in the body. वो immunity strong करेगा हमारी. वैक्सीन है that will stronger our immunity. Sorry, strengthen our immunity. Okay. Most vaccines are given to children when they are very very young. When you guys would be very young, most of the vaccines would be given to you. Okay. So what should we do to prevent communicable disease? Come on. Give me one by one, everybody answer me. What should we do to prevent communicable disease? Yes, I'm waiting. Rohan,
मैम ये वैक्सीन का कौन है दूसरा?
हम क्या कर सकते हैं कम्युनिकेबल डिजीज ना हो इसके लिए क्या क्या करना चाहिए हमको? आई ऑलरेडी प्रेजेंटेड ऑन द स्क्रीन, बेटा पढ़ के भी देख बोल सकते हैं आप।
Yes, ma'am. We should wash every day regularly hands. मैम हमको है ना मैम हर रोज हैंड वॉश करने का। हैंड।
इंग्लिश में ट्राई करो बेटा बोलने की।
Yes, ma'am. We should always wash your hand.
देन
We should not drink. We should not drink unclean water. Drinking water should be kept in clean and covered utensils.
यूटेंसिल्स मतलब बर्तन, वेसल।